Hey guys, I'm making fluffy slime.
Are you excited?
Yes.
Okay, what are you gonna do first?
Take this.
Yes, you're gonna get glue.
That's a lot of slime.
A lot of glue. It's gonna be a lot of fluffy slime too. Wow, that's a lot of glue. Put in water. Wow. You wanna mix it? That's a lot of glue. Okay guys, so to make this more fun, she's gonna close her eyes and she's gonna pick one of these. The small ones have glitter and the big ones, it has sequins. And then here are some sequins that she can put more. Which balloon are you gonna pop first?
The orange one.
The small ones or the big ones?
I think the small ones.
Small ones? Okay, close your eyes. Close your eyes. What color is it?
Orange.
Orange. Okay. Gotta cut it.
Orange.
I got orange. Yes. That's a really pretty orange. More. Good job. That looks really pretty. This is so pretty. Which one you want to do now? The big ones, small ones, or the sequins right here?
The small ones.
What color?
It's green.
Yes. Green. That's a pretty green. Yeah, drop everything in there. Now she's gonna get the green ones from here. Oh.
Congratulations.
Okay, so which one are you gonna do now? You can do the big ones, the big balloons too. Or you can keep doing the small ones.
I want to keep doing the mouse and these ones.
Then after the big ones? Okay.
Yellow.
What color do you guys think it'll be? What color do you think it's gonna be?
Yellow.
Yellow? Let's see. What color?
No, it's white.
It's white. Yes, it's white.
What's white?
There's a white one in here. There it is. For everything in there.
Then.
Are you gonna keep doing the small ones?
Yeah.
Okay, close your eyes. You gotta close your eyes.
Okay.
What color is it?
Blue, I think so.
Yeah, it's blue. Okay. What color do you think it'll be? The
Blue.
glitter. The
Blue.
glitter will be blue? Let's see if it's blue, like she says.
Okay, then.
Let's see.
Blue!
It's blue, yes. Ooh, she's putting more. Okay. Okay. There's only, how many? There's
4 balloons.
There's 4 balloons, yes. Which one are you gonna get? Let's mix it. Let's shake it. Oh, that one fell. Okay. Close your eyes. Okay, pick.
Okay.
You got what color?
Pink.
Okay, we're gonna open it now. What color do you think it'll be?
Pink.
Pink? Let's see.
Pink!
She was right. It was pink.
Oh,
That looks so pretty. Now she's gonna get her pink. Her other pink. Okay. There's only 3 more. Close your eyes. Close your eyes.
Please open it.
What color do you think it'll be?
Black.
Black? You think it'll be black?
Because I always got it. It's yellow.
Yellow. It wasn't black.
No.
But there is one that is black. Look, it's right here. Yes.
Okay.
There's 2 more. What color do you think it'll be?
I think maybe black.
Black? Let's see if it's black, like you say. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3, open.
It's purple.
Oh, that's pretty purple. Guys, she only has 1. What color do you think it'll be?
Maybe black.
Black. She said black. 1, 2, 3, and go.
It's black. I got it right. It's black, black, black.
That looks cool. Trying to get everything out. Uh-oh.
Okay.
What are you gonna do next? Are you gonna do the big balloons?
Yes.
Okay, so she's gonna close her eyes. And which one?
Purple.
Purple. What do you think it'll be? Shake it. It's purple.
I got it right. It's purple.
Close your eyes.
It's just funny.
What do you think it'll be?
Have loud noise.
It's loud.
Yeah. Okay. Please open it.
Okay, we're gonna open it. Hold it. Ready, set, go.
Diamonds.
Diamonds. She got diamonds? Girl, you got diamonds? That's cool. Okay.
So cool. Why did you got diamonds?
We got diamonds in there. Okay, which one are you gonna do? Okay, you gotta close your eyes. Get one. What did you get?
Purple.
Yeah. What color do you think it'll be? That's inside here. What color do you think it'll be?
I think black.
Black. Let's see. That looks like a rainbow. What does it look to you?
Look like a pretty rainbow.
Like a pretty rainbow. You gotta close your eyes. Okay, she got orange. The orange balloon. She said she don't know. Uh-oh, hold it tight. I told you.
It's pink.
Pink sequins.
That pink sweet.
You have one last balloon.
Okay.
Yellow?
Yeah.
Yellow. Let's see if it's yellow. Oh, it's actually yellow. What color is that?
Red.
Wow. Last one. Wow, that's super cool. there's one more. The one that she dropped in here. It's time to put some activator.
Yeah.
Yes. We should add the shaving cream now.
Yeah, I want to do it by myself.
Yeah, you're gonna do it. This thing pointing down so it can go in there. Hold it. Hold it and push it here. Oh, there you go. Keep doing it. Wow. That's cool. Is it hard?
Everywhere. A lot.
Everywhere.
A lot.
Here, you wanna do it now? This is how it's looking like. It looks like
Popcorn. This looks soap.
Many, many minutes later.
this is how it turned out. Do you like it?
Yes.
That's pretty. How about I hide these toys and you look for them?
Deal.
Okay.
But we can. You're going to hide them in hide and seek.
Yeah, I'm gonna hide them in here and you have to look for it, okay? You gotta close your eyes. No peeking. So we have this. Hold up. Let's make it hard for her to find it. Go, you have to find it. There is 4 items in there. Do you feel anything?
Real?
What is it? What did you find? What did you find? What is it?
Look, I found this one. I'm a cutie.
Hatchimal?
Yeah.
You need help?
Yeah.
You have to go like this so you squish it so you can feel it. I feel something. What do you guys think it is? It's a fairy. Got a fairy. Okay, there's more. What did you find? What is it? It's a Hatchimal. Another one. I found one. I found one, guys. Whose heel is this?
It's
Elsa's heel. What did you find? That is everything. Look, guys. She has some of the lashes. Be careful.
Where's it?
I'll take it off right now. Let's take it. It's in here. Hold up. Do not move. I don't want to poke your eye. Okay, you see it? Look.
Okay, this is going to be the beach for them. Guys, this is going to be the beach.
the beach for them.
Oh, this is the beach.